Hey, this is Putnut, and today we're talking about two things that I'd really like to discuss with you a little bit. Keto Rye Bread recipe that's on my channel. The Keto Low Carb Rye Bread recipe I have on my channel. I make that more than any other thing. It is spot on. So if you like rye bread, you need to dig into that. But the other thing is hot dog buns. So stay tuned. We're going to talk a little bit more about those things. Show you. First of all, I'm about to have a ham and Swiss on rye for lunch. This is real rye bread, but it's low carb. It's keto rye bread. Low carb and keto rye bread. Tastes just like the real thing. I promise you. You won't regret making that recipe. But the other thing I want to show you, I think I've done it. I'm pretty darn close. It's still a little bit heavier than I like, but I don't know that I can fix that with keto ingredients. But the taste is spot on. These things taste fantastic. Look. Yeah. I could have let them rise a little bit longer. I haven't got the timing down exactly right, but I think I got the ingredients list perfect. They're fantastic. I had chili dogs for lunch yesterday. Oh, they were so good. So, stay tuned for those. In the meantime, make yourself some rye bread and have a ham and Swiss on rye. Or better yet, pastrami and Swiss on rye. Now you might be wondering why the hot dog buns have taken so long. Well, you'll notice not a whole lot of keto cooks have hot dog buns, and if they do, yeah, they're keto hot dog buns, but they're clean keto, which means they're all almond flour. They don't even taste like hot dog buns. Yeah, mine aren't exactly clean, but I try really hard to make them taste like a real hot dog bun and feel like a real hot dog bun. There's only so much you can do with keto ingredients, and I tried for several months to make them clean keto. I haven't figured out a way to make them clean keto, but the way I make them, I adjusted my old recipe, cut the carbs nearly in half, and made the flavor and texture better. So I could release the recipe as is, but I got a couple little tweaks left I'd like to do to it, and then we're going to have a recipe video coming up on those, probably in the next few weeks. So stay tuned for that. And thanks so much for watching. Hi, this is Putnut. If you enjoyed that, click right over here for more low-carb recipes and reviews. And if you love the channel, please click right here to subscribe. It really helps. And thank you very much for watching. Please be assured we here at Putnut's Kitchen appreciate every minute you spend with us.